All right, I want to show you the tracker that I have set up for you. So your tracker is a Google spreadsheet that is your own copy. So this is just for you. And when you open it, you'll see this table of content for the different units. So you can click on these to get to the individual units, or you could also just go to the tabs. So we're going to use Unit 1 as an example to look at. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It tells you that this is the Unit 1 tab, and it has the lessons across the top. We're going to focus right now on looking at the lessons in Topic 1. So you can see there are 3 lessons, and then here's the Aspire to Do. It shows you the suggested dates of each of the lessons. So remember, these are suggestions to help keep you on pace. And here is the hard date of the first check-in. So I just made up these dates so we could look at the spreadsheet. They will be correct when we get there. Notice that these are links here to each lesson, so you can actually use this as a way to get to the content. So let's say that you have, and here's your name down here, which obviously will show your actual name. And this auto updates to show the current date. You can see that I'm recording this on August 8. So let's say that you have completed lesson 1. You have brought your sheet up to me. We have looked at it together and it looks great. So what I'm going to do is, this is my master spreadsheet. This controls your sheet. So on your sheet, you will not be entering anything on here. This is just for you to look at. So now we know that you have completed lesson 1 well, so I'm going to put on my spreadsheet that you have achieved lesson 1. And when I do that, what happens, there it goes, is that your spreadsheet automatically updates. So now you see that I have marked you as achieved. So you are free to move on to lesson 2 now. So let's say you do that, you come and you show it to me, and we realize that you have a correction to make. So I will mark my sheet as revise. So that just means that you have a little bit to go back and revise before getting marked off for this lesson. And you can see that your spreadsheet has updated to show you that. So you make your revisions, you come back, we get you marked off, all looks good, and now you are achieved on lesson 2. And notice over here that this is giving you your status. So because August 8 is before October, this is going to show you that everything you do is ahead of pace. If you got to the point where you were doing lesson 1 on October 2, this would show that you were behind pace, and then update as soon as you get caught up. Okay, so let's say you finish off the lessons in this topic. So 1, 2, and 3 are done. And notice that down here, it just updated to show you your current score for topic 1. So going back to the grading, this right now, you've done all of the lessons on time before the check-in. That's a 3. Remember, that's an A. What if you also achieve the Aspire to Do? Well, when we mark that off and it updates on yours, this should also, there it goes. This will update to show you that you earned your 4. So the idea here is that you always know exactly where you stand in terms of the self-paced lessons. You always know exactly what your grade is currently on the topics. So my goal is to give you all of the information you need to keep organized. So this spreadsheet, I suggest that you pin it to your browser so that it's easy to get to, because you want to be referring to it every day so that you know exactly where you are and what you need to be doing. All right, thank you.